Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro just launched yesterday. Huge 144Hz 3K resolution display, flagship processor, solid inbuilt, world's first fast charging tablet, huge battery and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and in-depth review of Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's now get to the unboxing. So, when you remove the plastic wrap from the box of the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro and open the lid, you'll find the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro tablet right away. Inside, you'll also see a 120W power adapter, which makes it the world's first tablet to support charging over 100W. Along with that, you'll find the usual data cable. With such fast charging support, the first thing to do is usually a charging test. Also, yesterday, Xiaomi launched the Xiaomi 14 Ultra flagship phone along with the Xiaomi Pad. I've already uploaded an unboxing and first impression video of the phone. You can find the link in the description or by clicking on the card above. Be sure to check it out. Let's talk about the battery and charging of the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro. It comes with a huge 10,000 mAh battery. But what's impressive is its 120W charging support using Xiaomi's own 120W power adapter. With this charger, you can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. This might be surprising because even a 5000 mAh battery takes about 35 minutes to charge with a 120W charger. So, how will this huge 10,000 mAh battery charge? Let's see. Let's test it out. With the fast charging option turned on, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro starts charging from 1% battery. In actual tests, the tablet supports 90W charging. For the first 12 to 13 minutes, it charges at 90W speed. During the middle of the charging process, the back of the tablet starts heating up, especially around the area where the CPU is placed, which tends to get the hottest. The temperature rises to around 40.2 degrees Celsius, and even the temperature of the charging adapter reaches up to 60 degrees Celsius. In just 15 minutes, the battery charges up to 50%, and it takes about 37 minutes to reach 100% charge, which is quite impressive. As the battery reaches full charge, the temperature of the back drops to around 35.1 degrees Celsius rapid charge. Talking about the display of the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, it offers a huge display with a 144Hz refresh rate, which enhances the viewing experience. Indeed, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro features an LCD screen with a resolution of 2032 by 3048 pixels, offering a 3K display. It's the first tablet in this price segment to provide such a high refresh rate and resolution combination. Despite being an LCD display, the screen delivers superb colors and brightness. It boasts one of the best LCD screens available in the market. In the primary color mode, the color accuracy of the display is excellent, and it covers up to 70% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring vibrant and accurate colors. If you switch to the vivid mode, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro's screen covers up to 97% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, even on an LCD display. This makes the screen outstanding. Additionally, the screen supports Dolby Vision videos, and during HDR video playback, it achieves both local and global brightness of up to 907 nits, surpassing 900 nits. This large 12.4-inch LCD display offers exceptional quality. Xiaomi Pad screen provides remarkable features at a significantly lower price point. Talking about the hardware of the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, it boasts last year's flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This means you can easily play high-end games on this tablet, including Genshin Impact at 2K resolution. Additionally, it's Xiaomi's first tablet to feature support for Wi-Fi 7, offering download speeds of up to 3 gigabits per second. Overall, the hardware of this tablet is outstanding. Moreover, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro is the first tablet from Xiaomi to come with HyperOS. This means you'll get excellent connectivity with Xiaomi phones, especially when both devices are logged in with the same account. The tablet features Magic Share Desktop, allowing you to use your smartphone's interface on the tablet while the phone's screen turns off. Additionally, the smartphone automatically activates power-saving mode. Furthermore, the tablet offers Workbench mode, providing a PC-like interface for enhanced productivity. Additionally, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro supports running 4 apps simultaneously, allowing them to stay open at the same time. You can move and adjust app windows by dragging them from the lower left corner. While system apps are well optimized, third-party apps may have fixed scaling. A new feature tailored for Xiaomi's cars is also available on this tablet, designed specifically for backseat use. It pairs seamlessly with Xiaomi accessories for an enhanced experience. The The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro comes with a plethora of features. It's the first tablet in the market to support 100W fast charging, boasts one of the best LCD screens, and offers flagship hardware. Additionally, it allows manipulation of car air conditioners, along with music and navigation controls. In terms of pricing, the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant start at 32.99 Chinese yuan in China, roughly around 362 UK pounds or 459 US dollars. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.